Have you ever noticed how the world seems to respond to your state of mind? When you are happy, the world seems bright and full of possibilities. Yet, when you are down, the world feels heavy, a burden on your shoulders. This is not just a trick of perception, it is a fundamental principle of the universe. The world is a reflection of ourselves. Imagine for a moment that the world is like a giant mirror. Every thought, every action, is like a pebble tossed into a still pond. It creates ripples that spread outwards, shaping the reality around us. This is the essence of the idea that we live in a responsive simulation. Our thoughts and actions are not isolated events. They are powerful forces that interact with the fabric of reality. This concept is not new. It has been echoed throughout history in various forms. Ancient cultures understood the interconnectedness of all things. They knew that our inner world shapes our outer experience. Modern science, through fields like quantum mechanics, is now beginning to catch up with this ancient wisdom. In essence, we are not just passive observers in the grand theater of life. We are active participants, co-creating our reality with every choice we make. The world is a canvas and we are the artists. The question is, what will you choose to create? Quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that studies the very small, offers intriguing clues about the nature of reality. One of its key findings is that the act of observation influences the observed. This is famously illustrated by the double-slit experiment. In this experiment, electrons are fired at a screen with two slits. Instead of behaving like particles and going through one slit or the other, they act like waves, going through both slits simultaneously. But here is the strange part. When an observer is introduced to see which slit the electron goes through, the wave function collapses, and the electron behaves like a particle again, going through only one slit. This implies that consciousness, the act of observing, has a direct impact on the behavior of matter. It suggests that reality is not fixed and predetermined, but fluid and responsive to our attention. This is a profound concept with far-reaching implications. If our thoughts and intentions can influence the behavior of subatomic particles, imagine the impact they can have on our macroscopic world. Our thoughts are energy, vibrating at certain frequencies. These vibrations interact with the quantum field, influencing the unfolding of events in our lives. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every action you take, sends out ripples of energy into the universe. These ripples do not simply disappear into the void. They interact with the energy of other thoughts, words, and actions, creating patterns and attracting experiences that resonate with their frequency. Think of it like this. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, and negativity, you will reap a harvest of anxiety, disappointment, and lack. However, if you cultivate seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, your life will blossom with joy, fulfillment, and prosperity. This is not to say that you can simply wish your problems away or manifest $1 million overnight. Shaping your reality is an active process. It requires conscious effort, consistent action, and unwavering belief in your ability to create the life you desire. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Are they predominantly positive or negative? Are they focused on what you want or what you fear? Once you are aware of your thought patterns, you can start to shift them. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Focus on your desired outcomes rather than your problems. Ancient echoes, karma, and alignment in the wisdom of the ages. The idea that our thoughts and actions shape our reality is not a new one. It has been a central tenet of spiritual traditions for millennia. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the concept of karma embodies this principle. Karma, often misunderstood as a system of cosmic punishment or reward, is simply the law of cause and effect applied to the realm of human action. It suggests that every action creates a corresponding reaction. Every choice we make, every word we speak, every thought we think, sets in motion a chain of events that ultimately shapes our future experiences. The ancient wisdom traditions also speak of living in alignment with the universe. This involves aligning our thoughts, words, and actions with our highest values and aspirations. It means living authentically and intentionally, creating a life that is a true reflection of our soul's purpose. This concept of alignment is crucial for shaping a positive reality. When our thoughts, words, and actions are aligned with our highest good, we create a powerful force for positive change in our lives and the world around us. Living in harmony, practical steps towards a positive reality. So, how can we apply these principles to our lives? How can we become conscious creators of our reality and manifest a life filled with joy, abundance, and purpose? Here are a few practical tips. First, cultivate mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts. Become aware of your default thinking patterns. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Second, visualize your desired outcomes. Create a clear and vivid mental picture of your goals and aspirations. Imagine yourself already living that reality. Third, set intentions. Start each day with a clear intention. What do you want to create today? How do you want to show up in the world? Fourth, take aligned action. Don't just wish for things to happen. Take action towards your goals. Every step you take, no matter how small, shifts you closer to your desired reality. And finally, practice gratitude. Focus on the good in your life. Appreciate the simple things. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more blessings into your life. Remember, shaping your reality is an ongoing process. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs. The key is to stay committed to your vision, trust the process, and never give up on your power to create a life you love. A conscious creator. You are the artist of your life. You are not merely a product of your circumstances. You are a powerful creator with the ability to shape your reality. You are the artist of your life, and the universe is your canvas. Every thought, every action is a brushstroke, adding color and texture to the masterpiece you're creating. Embrace the power within you. Choose your thoughts wisely. Act with intention. Live in alignment with your highest values. And watch as your world transforms before your very eyes. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. You have the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Start creating today.